Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Sorry for the delay update because I just gave birth to our newborn baby. Meet my baby. Something unbelievable happened today. I found an old book hidden inside a drawer. When I opened it, I saw my name, Nora Helmer. Every conversation, every secret, every decision I have ever made, even things that haven't happened yet. The title says, A Doll's House, written by Henrik Ibsen. Who is Henrik Ibsen?
Henrik Ibsen? Ibsen?
I learned he is a Norwegian playwright who wanted people to question society's rules. Instead of writing fairy tales, he wrote about real people facing difficult choices. Then I discovered something even more surprising. A woman named Laura Keeler inspired by story. She secretly borrowed money to save her husband's life. When the truth was discovered, she faced terrible consequences. Her experience helped inspire my own.
What are you reading?
A book about us.
Don't be ridiculous. No one could know our future.
Then how does it know exactly what you're about to say?
Nora, you're imagining things.
Am I, or I am simply started seeing the truth? Maybe I was created to represent every woman whose voice was ignored. Or maybe my story was never just mine.